Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write letter to your friend inviting him to spend the summer holidays with you. Let's get started. Examination hall, city ABC, date. Dear Hamza, our school is closing for the summer vacation in June. I invite you to spend these holidays with me. The weather is very fine here. It is neither hot nor cold here. We shall visit hills and countryside. We shall have outings and picnics. We shall visit other friends. You will surely enjoy it. Please inform me about the date and time of your arrival. Ali and Ahmed are also coming. Pay regards to uncle and aunt. Yours sincerely, XYZ. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.